Hello everybody, this is Tim with Tim the Pour Artist YouTube channel, and I'm going to today do a pour on a hard tile. This is a flooring tile. It's made out of ceramic, and a neighbor gave it to me, so I wanted to try it and see what we can do with it. So today I'm going to work with a white and a black. Put those out here. I've got a blue. This is a nice blue color. I've already done my flow test. They all are just pretty much right on the same. And I've got an orange. And then I've got a yellow. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I'm just going to kind of pour some colors on here, see how they go, see what kind of a pattern I get. And then we'll go from there. There's absolutely no silicone in any of this. So, okay. First I'm going to put a black background on this because I think that'll be the best thing to do with it. I'm probably going to spin it eventually. So let's see what happens here. Ready? Never done this on a tile. I cleaned it off with water and stuff, so let's kind of see how it goes. Table's all level. We're good there. I got some fresh cellophane on my roller here. Let's see, I need just a bit more up here. Whew, this can be interesting. This thing's heavy. Hey guys, I keep doing videos that I've never done. I mean, projects I've never done. So this is going to be really interesting today. Oh, I'm a messy boy. All right, I'm going to put this in the middle. I'm going to try anyways. I don't know if my middle stick will work on this. Right around in there, I would think. You agree? Let me know what you think. Let's look at this. Okay. All right, start there. Okay. Go with some white. Some blue. Well, these are a new type of colors that I've got here. These ones are actually Craft Smart. Okay, little bottles. Found a whole kit. Look pretty interesting, so let's see what we get out of it. And then a little yellow. I'll put some more white on there. I hope this turns out. Hey everybody, thanks for subscribing to the channel. Uh-oh. Well, we're getting there. Shooting for 100. Hopefully I can get 100 within the next... Well, I only need like 70 right now, so I'm almost 30. I think I'm like actually at like 27, I think it was. Wish I could do a napkin pull on this, but I'm afraid I'd lose it. I don't think I'd get it very well. So let's just keep going. See what happens. I like the orange. I like yellow in my paintings. Oh boy, I got black paint everywhere. I'm going to do some coasters too. Neighbor gave me some acrylic rounds. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. Alrighty, this looks pretty interesting. Getting a good pattern here. This is the biggest one of these I've used. Look at that purple color. Sometimes you just want a little bit. Sometimes you need a lot. You know how it is, folks. But yeah, I'm trying to get up to 100 subscribers. That's my first goal. And we'll shoot for the rest. Because I'm also going to do a drawing. We're going to get to 500 subscribers. I'll do a small drawing, like a small project. And we'll do a drawing for it. And then when I reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll do another one for a bigger prize. So I don't know how to do it yet. Haven't quite figured it out. But we'll figure it out. Ooh. The lacing in this is pretty cool. Did my tool get clean? I think it did. I'm going to use a small one like this. All right, let's see here. Let's pull from the middle first, because this is a thin tile, so we really got to watch it. We don't have a whole lot of, well, I guess it really doesn't matter because this is tile and the canvas is a canvas. It's fun experimenting on different surfaces to see what'll work for you. Man, I got so much dog hair on my... Hey, might have some good news. We are putting in an application to adopt a bird. I don't know if any of you out there have birds, large birds. I'm looking at either a macaw or a cockatoo. Let me know in the comments, do you have birds? If you do, let me know. I used to raise birds, parakeets, budgies, parakeets, and cockatiels and cockatoos, or cockatiels and finches. Never had anything bigger than that. Okay, I kind of like how this is turning out, boys. Look at that. That looks pretty amazing. Now, what are we going to do with it? Or I'm going to spin it. I've always wanted to spin. And this is heavy enough, it probably won't hurt anything. Ooh, look at her spread out. Look at that. Kind of takes off the pattern. I need to mess with this a little bit more. Is that it? That's the one I had. I don't know what to do here. Guess I should have left some cells in this, huh? Something. Oh, guys, what do you think? Spin it more? Destroy it? Put some silicone in it? I don't know, my mind is just kind of making this up as I go. You know how it is when you do this stuff. It's a hit and miss every time. Should have put more earthy colors in it, but we'll see what happens here. Trying to make this middle not look like a blank middle. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's a lot of paint coming off of there. Right on. Okay, let me get my heat. Some heat, some heat, some heat, some heat. I like these corners though. I shouldn't, but I'm going to. Where's my lucky white? I don't have any. I don't. It looks cool though, all this out here. It's kind of different. I think I'll leave this. Yeah, I don't know how the bubbles are going to do. It's coming through here. I'm going to try something. I think it needs more. I'm going to use a little bit of silicone. I'm just going to touch a couple spots. See what I get. Let's try it here. Yeah, just do it all around in this part. What do you think? I'm not way happy, but it does look pretty cool. You know, I could put some white around the middle. I don't have any of my crazy color, do I? I got some black. I don't know why I'm doing this. I just think it needs something else. I'm going to try this. Now this black, I believe, has some silicone in it. Just think it needs this. Now, so much we can do. All right. I think that's a bit better. Let's let this dry and see how it turns out. Let me bring in for a close-up. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This is that tile. Look at that. I know it. It's pretty, it's pretty different, but I like it. Okay, guys, if you found this video informative and helpful to you, then please subscribe, hit the like button, give me a comment, let me know how you feel about it, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. God bless.